The burning question on everybody's mind heading into the holiday period this year: is the Xbox Series S still worth it in 2023? Well, the short answer, yes, of course it is. For the long answer, let's have a look at a few important things to note, and we'll dive deeper into that right now. It has been almost 3 years now since we were introduced to Microsoft's next-gen lineup of gaming consoles back in November of 2020. Now, as a console/hybrid gamer, I have bounced between the Xbox Series X and the Series S since they launched. And as much as I love the absolute powerhouse that is the Xbox Series X, with the true 4K gaming, 8K HDR, 12 teraflops of processing power, and that 1 terabyte storage capacity, more on that shortly. But to this day, I am still blown away by how good the Xbox Series S actually is. I can play AAA titles and day one releases like Age of Empires, Everspace 2, and A Plague Tale Requiem, no problems. And even better, if you see this icon attached to any game, that means it was built using the XNS development kit to showcase things that matter to gamers. Things like amazing visual fidelity, leveraging our next generation custom processor, and technology such as variable rate shading. Games are now more capable of more dynamic and realistic environments. And with hardware accelerated DirectX ray tracing, this means anything from true to life lighting to accurate reflections and acoustics in real time as you explore the world of your favorite game. And let's not forget about the size. At just 4.2 pounds or 1.9 kilograms, the Xbox Series S is the smallest Xbox ever. You probably wouldn't think that a next generation Xbox console is something that you'd want to take with you when you leave the house. But now that you can, I kind of do it pretty much any chance I get. Now, initially there were some concerns around the Xbox Series S not having a physical optical drive. But with digital consumption becoming more and more popular with services like Netflix, Stan, Amazon Prime, and Game Pass, of course, that all kind of went away. I mean, it's literally nicknamed the Game Pass machine now. However, we still need to address the elephant in the room: storage. So many people were on the fence about jumping ship to next-gen consoles with the Series S because of that limited storage capacity. Cloud gaming with Game Pass played a huge role in mitigating that hurdle for gamers because it allowed you to play games directly from the cloud without having to download them to your console. Now, there are some things that I need to mention with that. First, you need to be a Game Pass Ultimate subscriber to get access to that catalog of cloud accessible games. And you also need to have a pretty decent internet connection. But the reality is, as amazing as cloud gaming is, it's just not a viable option for a lot of gamers, so storage is still a big issue. However, now we have another option. There is now a new addition to the Xbox console family with the Xbox Series S 1 terabyte Carbon Black Edition, and it comes with, you guessed it, 1 terabyte of storage. And it's black, of course. So the best value in console gaming just got even better with more storage to store all your favorite games, and it comes in a shiny new color. Now, besides the additional storage capacity, the Xbox Series S 1 terabyte Carbon Black Edition comes with all the same next-gen features that you are already familiar with on the original Xbox Series X and Series S. It still uses the Velocity architecture with the custom SSD and processor. You still get access to next-gen features like faster load times, quick resume, smart delivery, and of course, you can enjoy those delicious next-gen exclusives. Series S and Game Pass go perfectly together, just like macaroni and cheese, milk and cookies. The list goes on. You'll be the first to play new games on day one, plus enjoy hundreds of high-quality games with your friends and family. And with new and old games added all the time, there's always something new to play. It literally gets updated like every month. Some games are added, some games are removed. It just keeps things fresh and offers that variety aspect. We are at a content release crossroads where if you are someone who really wants to make the most of next-gen titles on console, like your Starfield games, like your upcoming Forza Motorsport, then you're gonna have to make the switch eventually, because these types of games are next-gen exclusive. And these are really the first big AAA titles that this applies to, with many, many more to come. So is the Xbox Series S still relevant in 2023? It most definitely is.